city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat races, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life.
How much does that pump weigh, Fred?
I'm assuming it's very close to the other. It's about 450.
When we was in our prime, man, you could have picked that up.
One under each arm.
I told him that Ed could probably just put his finger in that hook and pick that up.
All right, Matt, explain your plan.
So we're going to put the forks of the tractor together and pull the back of the forks tight up again. We're going to put about 4 ratchet straps around this tie, so that when he picks it up, it acts, you got a big, like, I don't know, pole, like a pig pole. And we're gonna put a chain on that end and we'll use it to pick the pump up. We'll pick it right up off the truck and we'll just run it right in the walkway and through the door and set it right on the pad of the pump house.
Ed could make Fred stay right now. He's flinging that thing.
Run back over it again.
Oh, that's a great shot.
1, 2, 3. That's okay, here we go.
Look at this. It's pretty slick there, Matthew.
Gently! Gently down!
couldn't have worked any better.
There's 4,000 taps in this woods. This was our first vacuum. We started tapping this woods in 2000. My dad tapped it because I was tapping a place in Wellersburg. That was my senior year of high school. And my dad was over here. We had lost the big woods. Couldn't make an agreement with the landowner. And I had found an old operation in Wellersburg, so I went over there. My dad helped me set that up, and then he asked this landowner, the Bender family, if he could tap back here. And he put tanks in the woods and gravity tubing, and he gathered it with a tractor. And he did that for 2 or 3 years. And then he run the first main line down here to the road. It was all gravity. And then we put a second tank in down around the curve here, and we brought the other line down off the hill because the woods it was split into 2 sections. And then in 2005, we run the line all to 1 tank over. We had everything coming to 1 tank, but we didn't have that many taps. I don't know, there was maybe 2,000, 2,500. And then in 2000, well, be the fall of 2006, we put the pump house in and we put vacuum in. We run 1.25 inch dry line up, and we had a 5 horsepower liquid ring pump, and we eventually built up to 4,000 taps. It was a Sihi, loved it. I had a bearing go out of it once, and the neighbor put a bearing in it, rebuilt it for me. That was the only trouble I ever had with it. But it'll only pull about 25 inches of vacuum, and it's a 5 horsepower motor, and everybody knows electric's going up. It's just a water spring coming out of the bank there. The pipe's only 3 foot long. It just goes back in there. Put a bucket right there underneath that over for that outflow, and we'd run a sump pump right over to the building and a 100-foot hose, and just leave it pump all season. And then when Dad had to wash tanks, he just had to pull the hose. I had a pipe along the building that fed into, I had a 100-gallon stock tank inside. He'd just pull the hose out, and he had water to wash the tanks. And then when he was done, just stick the hose back in and keep cold water going to that pump all the time.
What is your guys' yield like on an annual basis?
So the last 3 years, our yield's been between 4 to 5 pounds, give or take. The previous 10 years to that, our average was around 6 pounds. And the last 3 seasons have just been mediocre. It's been too warm, or it gets too warm too quick.
Who helps you?
Family, my dad, my wife. My wife does most of the boiling. My dad does most of the gathering. I do a lot of the woods work with my boys and my girl. I got 2 boys, 2 girls, Tyler, Sarah, Daniel, and Kaylee. The boys walk lines, fix leaks.
You want a cup of coffee? You want a sandwich?
Yeah.
Got dirty today.
You ready, dude?